Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of OpenHouse. I'm your designer, Averse Yau from ABCD Opulent Design. When the homeowner first approached me and my designer, Kristen, he was seeking a home design that felt both homey and relaxing, like staying in a hotel at the same time, incorporate with feng shui. We realized then that we needed to create a dream home that seamlessly combines aesthetic and functionality. This was not a simple renovation, it was an overhaul. It took us about 1 to 2 months to complete the design. Once we started the work, we hacked every hackable wall in the house, essentially starting from scratch. We rebuilt walls in the correct location to achieve our design. The process included rewiring, rerunning air conditioning with feasible but challenging work, and connecting carpentry fabrication. The on-site progress took about 4 to 5 months to complete. The marble flooring is designed book match, so we put a lot of effort into it. Marble is always beautiful, but with our soft touch, it's even more stunning now. Typically, paneling is used for feature wall, but I incorporate it into our carpentry to create subtle and clean look with consistent color and pattern. Space planning is always the most important stage. A good layout plan determines a good design. Communicating your dreams doesn't have to be difficult. No design is too challenging for us to conceive, and we will transform the home of your dreams into a space you can comfortably live in. The most challenging aspect of our work is often time management. Our complex design and use of various materials require coordination among multiple suppliers and contractors. Everyone must follow the timeline, receive clear instruction, and work together to achieve our plan. While on-site issues may arise, we swiftly address them to avoid impacting our schedule. It's tough, but we make it happen. No matter how challenging the renovation process is, it's all worth it when we see the joy we bring to homeowners and the families. That's our mission as professional designers.